A new Bloomberg report claims Tesla is secretly planning a factory not for cars, but for its AI-powered humanoid robot, Optimus. The report, citing unnamed sources, suggests Tesla is moving from development to laying the groundwork for mass production. This isn't a small project, it's a dedicated facility where thousands, maybe millions of robots could be built. The details are specific early-stage plans for what some are calling a gigafactory for robots. This would mark a major shift for Tesla, moving beyond cars and energy into robotics at scale. The idea is to get ahead, establishing a manufacturing base for humanoid robots before competitors even have a working prototype. Imagine a factory dedicated solely to building general-purpose bipedal robots, a leap from the industrial arms we're used to seeing. The report implies Elon Musk sees humanoid robots as transformative as the automobile. While the report leaves questions, location, timeline, cost, it signals Tesla is taking Optimus seriously. The ambition to lead the world in manufacturing AI embodied in human-like form. To judge this rumor, let's look at Tesla's track record. Tesla's AI journey began with self-driving tech, neural networks, real-time decision-making, and complex navigation. That same AI brain is now being developed for Optimus. The first Optimus reveal in 2021 was just a person in a suit, but since then, Tesla's shown real prototypes walking, picking up objects, even folding shirts. Tesla isn't just building software, they're engineering the motors, actuators, and sensors for real-world use. Their manufacturing edge is huge. Gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, Shanghai prove they can scale complex hardware fast. Building robots is a logical extension of their expertise in supply chains, assembly lines, and quality control. Elon Musk's Vision Optimus should perform any human task, potentially reshaping the economy. Tesla's deep AI investment, rapid prototyping, and manufacturing know-how mean the foundation for a robot factory is already in place. This isn't a sudden leap, it's the next step in Tesla's evolution. The groundwork for mass robot production is being laid, piece by piece. So, is the factory rumor legit? On the for side, Elon Musk is all in on Optimus, saying the robot division could outgrow Tesla's car business. Tesla's hiring robotics and AI experts, and the project is reportedly a top internal priority. They plan to deploy Optimus in their own factories first, a perfect test bed before scaling up. But there are reasons for skepticism. Optimus is still a prototype, not yet ready for mass production or complex tasks. Critics say it's premature to build a factory for an unfinished product. Tesla's history is full of ambitious timelines that slip. Think the Semi, Roadster, or full self-driving. Planning a factory could mean anything from sketches on a whiteboard to actual construction. The hype cycle is part of Tesla's playbook, and this could be more of the same. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. Let's break it down to 3 main points. First, Bloomberg's report is credible and suggests Tesla is preparing for mass production of Optimus. Second, Tesla's AI and manufacturing expertise make a robot factory a logical next step, not a wild leap. Third, there's a tension. Musk's ambition and internal focus versus the reality that Optimus is still a prototype. Building a factory for an unfinished product is risky, and Tesla's timelines are famously optimistic. The rumor is credible, but the hurdles are real. Tesla's ambition is massive, but so are the challenges. The future of Optimus, and its factory, remains uncertain. So, is Tesla's rumored robot factory real or just hype? The answer is probably both. The plan could be real, reflecting Tesla's long-term ambition. Leaking the news generates buzz, attracts talent, and keeps Tesla in the spotlight. Hype is part of Tesla's strategy. It fuels investor confidence and public interest. But a plan doesn't mean construction starts tomorrow. The Optimus robot still needs to evolve from prototype to reliable product. The report shows Tesla's ambition to build the future of labor, but the line between innovation and hype is blurry. As the story unfolds, we'll keep asking, is Tesla's next AI robot factory real or just hype?